This is Brad with Blue Nile Farm. Today I want to talk about hoses they use in the barn, whether you're at a residential house or on a farm. And a lot of times you'll have a hose that gets a break in it, and they're easily to be repaired versus going out and buying a brand new hose. You know, today we're going to talk about changing an end, whether it's a male end or female end. And a lot of times if the hose is broken, like this one is right here at the main piece, all you need to do right off the bat is take a knife and cut the end off. And once the end's cut, the next thing is to figure out the diameter of the hose. And in this case, we're talking 5/8. So what I'm going to need is to get a 5/8 adapter, whether it's a male end or female end. And today, this is the female end because if it goes inside on the outside, and I'm going to replace that to get this hose back in operation. So when I went out to Ace Hardware, or any hardware store, or even Home Depot or Lowe's, they sell male ends and female ends depending on the diameter of the hose. And I just happened to buy a 5/8 adapter. So relatively, it's very simple. Once you take the casing off, here's the hose. And once this is cut, all you do is stick the brass piece into the hose itself and push it in deep. And once it's completely pushed, all we're going to need now is to crimp this end in. And once we crimp it, this will be tight and this is 100% operational. Now you can crimp it a couple different ways, whether you take a hammer to it or a set of pliers. And I'm going to try pliers and we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I have a pair of adjustable pliers here. And all you need to do is basically get it on both ends. Try to take maybe two areas that need to crimp at a time and just squeeze them tightly until it completely forms around the rubber. And all this is going to do is to keep the end on and the hose connected and create a seal for the brass fitting on the end. And there you have it. It's pretty much done. Doesn't take long, and now it's back to usable. And it's an easy, quick fix that anybody can do. Now the cost for the male end or female end are about $5 to $7. So it's a lot cheaper to actually just cut those ends off and replace them. Or even if you had a long hose and you wanted just to shorten it up, it's still cheaper in a long shot than going out and buying a brand new hose. You know, hoses are getting expensive. You know, everything's going up. So if you can reclaim something and keep it working again, that's the best thing for you. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you picked up a little tidbit out of that video. You know, fixing these hoses is something that could save you a lot of money in the long run, and anybody can do it. Until next time, talk to you guys soon, and thanks for watching.